this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Update in Windows 10. All you need to do, first go to search bar at the right bottom on your screen, then type Service in here, open it. Second, go to the name column in here and press W key again and again until you find Windows Update. As you can see in here, the status right now is still running and the startup type is automatic. I'm gonna make it disable by press the right click to the properties, open the properties dialog and change the startup type to disable, and then apply it. Okay, right now the Windows Update is fully disabled. That's it, 3 steps how to disable Windows Update. Thanks for watching this simple video.